In this video, we will discover the seamless convenience of making calls directly from your browser using the KrispCall Chrome Extension. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual dialing and embrace the efficiency of browser-based calling with just a few clicks. Let's get started with how you can make a call from your browser with KrispCall. First, log into your KrispCall account or sign up if you're new. Purchase the number of your desired country from the provided list and choose the type of number you wish to acquire: local, toll-free, or mobile. Complete the submission of documents for verification if necessary. Once the number is added to your workspace, go to the KrispCall Download Apps section from the dashboard left side menu. Choose Chrome Extension under Web Apps. Click on Add to Browser. It will redirect to the Chrome Marketplace. Now click on Add to Chrome on the right-hand side. Then the confirmation box will appear. Opt for Add Extension. KrispCall Dialer is now successfully added to your Chrome browser. Then the KrispCall Dialer extension to ensure it always appears. Now let's place a call from your web browser using the KrispCall extension. Simply select the number from any webpage you'd like to call. Then, right-click and choose the option Call Number via KrispCall. The KrispCall Dialer will then appear with the dialed number. Plus, before making a call, you have multiple calling number options, and you can simply make the call by clicking the Call button. KrispCall for Chrome provides a swift and effective method to initiate one-click phone calls directly from your browser, removing the need for manual dialing. Contact our chat support for more information.